Walang makakahadlang.
Walang maiiwan.
Sama-samang lilipad
Hangin ang pangarap.
sa hamong kinakaharap.
Patuloy na aangat.
Edukasyon para sa lahat.
Sulong edukalidad.
Writing for radio is writing for reviews. And when it comes to your voice, you observe OP. What does OP mean? Optimum laman conversation na ng ating pag-usap sa ating
Grade 7 learners, how are you today?
This is Gonzaga National High School, School on the Day.
Bringing you the latest educational updates, lessons, and relevant information in the new normal school year.
Ang tagumpay ng Radyo Eskwela ay dahil na rin sa pagtutulungan ng mga guro, lalo na sa pamamahagi ng mga learning activity sheets sa mga barangay kung saan nakatira ang mga napiling mag-aaral. Sila ang naging kulay para makarating ang mga gagamitong module ng mga mag-aaral. Nang matanggap ang mga learning activity sheets, nagpakita agad ng interes ang mga mag-aaral na yakapin ang bagong pamamaraan ng pagtuturo. Ang ilan ay naging excited para tuklasin ang ganda ng Radyo Eskwela. Gaya ng makikita sa mga larawan, pinakikinggan ng mga mag-aaral ang Radyo Eskwela sa pamamagitan ng kanilang cellphone habang sinasagutan ang kanilang mga learning activity sheets. Nang matapos ang tinakdang araw ng pilot testing para sa Radyo Eskwela, agad na tinungo ng mga guro ang mga drop-off points sa mga barangay para kolektahin ang mga learning activity sheets. Ang resulta ng learning activity sheets ang magiging basehan kung naging epektibo ba ang naisagawang Radyo Eskwela. Pinulsuhan ng Gonzaga National High School ang mga napiling mag-aaral. Narito ang ilan sa kanilang mga feedback. Pero bukod tangi itong dalawang feedback na aming natanggap.
Sa naganap na pilot testing, nais kong ihayag ang aking kaisipan tungkol sa naisagawang RBI as last. Sa RBI, naiintindihan kong through broadcasting ang pagbibigay ng informasyon at instruction. Napansin ko na habang nag-e-explain yung teacher is may bigla-biglang papasok na background music. Yun yung nagiging sanhi ng pagkawala namin sa sinasabi ng teacher. Sana po, wala po yung pabigla-biglang pagpasok ng background music para po tuloy-tuloy yung pakikinig namin at tuloy-tuloy yung pag-absorb namin ng kaalaman. Sa last naman po, sana po is maintindihan po, maunawaan po naming maigi yung direction sa mga activity na binibigay po. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
The RBI is actually helpful because it's just like the old times at school but through radio. We learners can really understand, especially when you guys explain about the topic. And it's really helpful for us and hoping other students will experience it. The recorded RBI are very clear to hear. My recommendations are, can you guys explain more about the topic? Explaining it deeper and giving more examples about it so we learners can understand it fully. Honestly, I didn't understand some of the subjects and having second thoughts if I can really answer the activities. Hoping that when the classes starts, the whole modules of the semester faster, moving our hands, and we'll just wait for the RBI. That's all.
Bilang tugon, narito ang buod ng karanasan ng mga guro ng Gonzaga National High School sa pagbuo ng radyo eskwela.
Naman may mga suliraning naranasan ng mga estudyante at guro habang isinasagawa ang radio-based instruction. Hindi pa rin naging hadlang ang mga ito sa pagkamit ng tunay na layunin ng modality ito. Bakit? Una, naging kapanapanabik ito sa bahagi ng mga mag-aaral. Bukod sa nahahasa na ang kanilang kakayahan sa pagsunod sa mga panuto na nailahad sa kanilang learning activity sheets, nahahasa rin ang kanilang komprehensyon sa pagdinig. Ikalawa, nagkaroon din ng pagkakataong makibahagi ang kanilang mga magulang na siyang pangunahing kasangga ng mga guro sa pagkatuto ng mga kabataang Pilipino. Ikatlo, mas naging malikhain ang mga guro sa paghahatid ng kanilang leksyon. Ikaapat, dahil dito, patuloy na nabibigyan ng pagkakataon ang kagawaran ng edukasyon na mapabuti palalo ang sistema para makapaghatid ng dekalidad na edukasyon sa mga mag-aaral sa gitna ng hamong kinakaharap. Sa kabuuan, base sa resulta ng mga gawain sa nasabing learning activity sheets, masasabing malaki ang naging tulong ng radio-based instruction sa pagkamit sa learning competency ng bawat asignatura. Sa bagong normal ng pagkatuto, patuloy man tayong sinsubok. Hindi ito ang rason para tumigil tayong makapaghatid ng karunungang kailangan ng mga kabataang Pilipino.
Why is Gonzaga National High School chosen as a pilot test school for radio-based instruction?
Our DepEd officials believe in our capacity to accept and accomplish whatever tasks they assign to us. Besides, Gonzaga National High School is home to teachers who have knowledge on radio broadcast. The likes of James Mike Kaday here, who was once a community radio broadcaster, and he served at DWTS, Timecti Santa Teresita, a community radio station of the local government unit of Santa Teresita. And of course, we also have Monar C. Manuel and John Rod S. De La Cruz, who both were local broadcasters in the DWTG Tanguyog Gonzaga, a community-based radio station owned and managed by the local government unit of Gonzaga. And our DepEd officials are looking into these two community radio stations in the municipality of Santa Teresita and Gonzaga to serve as platform for us to reach the number of students here at Gonzaga, Santa Teresita, and even in Santa Ana.
What are the preparation for the radio-based instruction?
Okay, so we have assigned the following teachers to conduct planning activities through the able leadership of James Mike Kaday, who was once a radio broadcaster, and at the same time, James Mike here attended several radio broadcast instruction script writing provided by DepEd Region 2, and with him in the group is John Rod S. De La Cruz, a very good script writer, and Monar C. Manuel, and of course we have Lester Win Udarbe here, technician.
How is the implementation so far?
Okay, with the positive feedback from our learners together with their parents, we are very positive that radio-based instruction is an effective reinforcement to the accomplishment of the learning activity sheets or the self-learning modules of our students.
What is your message to the learners regarding the pilot testing of the radio-based instruction in Gonzaga National High School?
Okay, to our learners out there, few days more to go before August 24, 2020, the official opening of school year 2020-2021. This is the most challenging school year for all of us because of the threat of COVID-19 pandemic. But we are very confident that we can still deliver to you the instruction that you deserve through the different learning delivery modalities like this one, radio broadcast instruction. So I encourage you, my dear learners, to be more focused on your studies, especially that your teachers are not there personally to provide you with the assistance that you need during the old normal. So this is the time for you to become independent learners with the guidance and assistance of your parents and other knowledge bearers. I know that there will be challenges and difficulties we encounter along the way, but these challenges will be overcome with the support and cooperation of your parents. This radio-based instruction will serve as gateway for Gonzaga National High School teachers to reach you wherever you are. Just stay connected, don't get lost, and if you do, try to get connected again. Keep our communication lines open, my dear students, and the only platform we can reach to you while we are battling with this fatal virus is through our cellular phones. You can text us, we can text you, you can call us. We can give you, or I mean we can reach you through our messenger, through Facebook, through Viber. And I would like also to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because in that channel we will be uploading different lessons produced by your teachers here at Gonzaga National High School. See you when we see you.
Tunay ngang malaki ang puwang na pupunan ng pamamaraan na pili para sa bagong normal. Pero sasabay sa agos ng oras ang Gonzaga National High School at hindi pa iiwan para sa kinabukasan ng bawat mag-aaral. Para sa bata, para sa bayan, handang isip, handang bukas, isulong na ang Radyo Eskwela.